is shifting pretty good. 2, okay, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, 10. Whoops, then back to 9, 10, 11, 12. When I first got this bike, this derailleur got bent in shifting, and it was facing out like that. So I just went ahead and pushed it back so it was straight, and it's worked for a good 500 miles. But what happened is this little bolt right here started coming loose, which holds the cage in. The cage would get loose and it would throw the chain off. I was actually able to take this apart, straighten out the cage. I went ahead and lubricated all the jockey wheels. This one's good to go, except this is a better design. As you can see, this is the same as an NX, where the cable comes in like this around this pulley through this other area, pulley area, and then out to here it gets adjusted. With this one, the older SX, the shift cable came around the back, so it had to come around like this. So this is straighter. Now the problem is my hanger was not quite straight, so I went ahead and put in a Allen key, and I would bend it to get it right. So I eyeballed it, and it's pretty good. You just saw how it shifted up and down. But I am going to take this tool right here and check it out. See how straight I got it just by eyeballing it. Checking the distance to the wheel with S's on maxes. I'm going to come down to here. It's going to come down to here. And I can see that it has to come out a little bit. It's not straight. Come down to the bottom, the S on maxes. Pretty good there. So that's already here. This needs to come out just a smidge. Looks like it's spot on. Considering I eyeballed it last time I adjusted it, that's pretty good. 5mm. That was tough. So before, when I straighten it out, just put this in here and eyeball it. Lift it up, lift it down. Well, it's straight now. hanger is spot the heck on. Now let's see how it shifts. $12, $11, $10, $9, oop, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2, $1. Can't adjust the B screw until you have it down at 30% sag. Nine, 10, 11, and 12. There's a couple major differences between this 2022 Eagle and the 2021 SRAM Eagle SX. On the older unit, the 2021 unit, this is all plastic. And this one here, this is metal. This is plastic, but this is metal. And this may be the part that's been wearing out on the old ones and why they're getting the bad rap. This is, like I say, this is similar to an NX that I have just above my shoulders here. And it has a pulley here, or this one just comes straight in. Friction's here, or this one comes over here. It does friction same as this, but it's just a better sweep, comes straight down. Just better design.